Hey guys, it's Amanda. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, today we're going to be doing the snack crate challenge. So let's get this thing opened up and let's see what country we've got. All right, here we go. We got Canada! Yay! Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Canada's definitely on my bucket list, so I'm really excited to try some awesome snacks today. Okay guys, I'm ready to start this challenge and I have come prepared. I have a bottle of water and I have a trash can just in case things don't go well. Okay, so the first thing I have are these Doritos spicy cheese. Now, I love Doritos, so let's crack it open and let's get started. I wonder what they mean by zesty cheese. Because we have like nacho cheese and all that, but what is a zesty cheese? Okay, they smell like nacho cheese, so. They taste like nacho cheese too. So basically this is like the Canadian version of America's just regular Doritos, nacho cheese. Really good though. I love Doritos. Okay, so the next thing we have are these Ruffles all dressed Azonaise? Azonaise? So, I don't know what it means about all dressed, but there's like salt and a tomato and an onion. So, maybe it's kind of like a vegetable type of flavor. I don't know. They smell like just regular old Ruffles. Oh yeah, I like these. I can't exactly pinpoint the flavor though. I can't like pin down one flavor, but they're really good. Okay, so the next thing we have is some Old Dutch ketchup chips. So, I like ketchup on my french fries, so I'm hoping this is kind of what this tastes like, because I don't particularly eat ketchup by itself or anything, so I don't know. Ooh, kind of hard to open. Ooh. Interesting. I'm either gonna really like these or I'm really gonna hate them. Wow, the ketchup flavor is actually like really realistic for it being like a powder. I feel like I'm actually eating ketchup without the actual ketchup, but it's good. I like it. Now, I'll give these a thumbs up. Oh, we're into the sweets. Yay. So we have a Mars Maple bar. So let's crack it open, see what it tastes like. I wonder if it's gonna taste like syrup and chocolate. Oh, it's, wow. Smells really like maple syrup. As much as it smells like maple though, the taste of it is a lot less than I would have expected. But it kind of reminds me of a Milky Way with like the nougaty caramelly thing. But it's really good. But the maple's kind of like an aftertaste almost. It's good. I like it. Alright, this one I'm super excited about. It's a Nestle Coffee Crisp. And the reason I'm so excited is because I love coffee. Like, that's one thing you're going to learn about me is I love coffee.
I need coffee and an IV.
And, fun fact, it's National Coffee Day. So, I'm probably going to devour this whole thing right here. Because that's how much I love coffee. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Oh my. This is really super yummy. Super, like, 2 thumbs up from me. So good. Okay, the next one we have is a Cadbury Crispy Crunch. It kind of has like a Butterfinger look to it. So, yeah. And I love Butterfingers, so if this tastes anything like a Butterfinger, then I'm down to try it. Oh, it's even got its own little protective little thing here. Got to keep that crunch protected. Here we go. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. This is just like a Butterfinger. But I feel like the middle of this is way crunchier and like more solid than even a Butterfinger. But it's really good. Okay, next we have Maynard's Juicy Squirt Berry. Let's see how it tastes. Tab. Ooh. They're kind of sticky. I feel like some of the squirt is already squirted out. And I love gummy candy anyway, so really good. They got different flavors. I like these. Oh, there's a squirt. It's like a burst of juice. It's really good. Thumbs up for me. Okay, so next one is the Maynard's Fuzzy Peach. So I guess Maynard's is like the big gummy candy place to be in Canada. They're the gummy candy people. Ooh, they smell good. Look at that. Nice and sugary. Ooh! I didn't expect this sour. And they're not even that sour, I just wasn't expecting it. I thought it was gonna be like a really sweet, but they trick you there. But I love sour, so I'm good with that. Oh, it's really sticky. Sticking in my teeth. These remind me a lot of peach rings, but with like a sour outer layer. Good job, Maynards. I like it. The next one we have is Glosette Peanuts. So I'm excited about this. Ah! They fight back. Ooh, they're smaller than I thought. So good though. See, with a box like this, I feel like okay, so the next one we have is an O. Henry Reese's Peanut Butter. Now, we have O. Henry here in the States, but I have to admit, confession time, I've never had one. But I love Reese's Peanut Butter and Reese's Cups. So this should be super good. It's gonna be like a Reese's Cup on steroids. It's got peanuts, peanut butter, caramel, covered in a chocolate coating. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Look at that. Look at that. Caramel's sticking to me. Woo. That is so good. Why have I never had no Henry in my life? And way to go, Canada, for putting the Reese's peanut butter. That was awesome. Okay, is there anything more Canadian than a maple leaf lollipop? It is made with 100% pure maple syrup. Oh my gosh. Now, I like maple syrup on my pancakes and my waffles and French toast, but I don't know how it's going to taste by itself. Go ahead and open it. Oh, there we go. But I'm kind of excited. Okay. Here goes. Okay, it's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing, because I was like worried it was going to be super overpowering. I think Americans kill maple syrup. This is so much better. It's a more subtle sweetness, and you don't feel like you're going to go into a diabetic coma, but this is really good. Thumbs up from me. Okay, guys, this is the last thing I have in my box. And I gotta say, I'm a little nervous. The tagline on this Thrills bubblegum says, "It still tastes like soap." I'm kind of getting like A Christmas Story flashbacks, where he has to like put the soap in his mouth for saying the bad word.
Lifebuoy, on the other hand.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous. Is it gonna be lavender soap? Good thing I have my trash can. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It really does taste like soap, but it's not like, it's not bad though. Like, you don't feel like you're eating soap, but you feel like you're eating soap. It's so weird. But it's really not bad. I would never think that I'd want to eat this, but I like it. It's really good. So guys, thanks for tasting Canada with me. Please make sure if you had fun and enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and leave a comment down below on what else you want to see me do on this channel. Bye guys. I'm dropping stuff. Okay guys, I am ready to start this challenge. I'm super excited. I am prepared. I've got a bottle of water and I have a trash can just in case things don't